This is a Lasko 20-inch box fan. Lasko 20-inch Weathershield box fan. And this one is one of the Ultra models that has the thermostat on it. And this fan, I would have to say, would be like from the early 2000s sometime. I'm not sure when, but this is a really old one, and the model year is unknown because it should have like a model sticker, but I can't seem to find the model sticker or anything, on this fan, because it's probably peeled off or something. This is another fan over here at my mom and my stepdad's house. This box fan, being my stepdad's, he uses like in the garage or in like downstairs in the basement workshop, like if he does like woodworking or some stuff like that, and designing and building things. And this fan has gotten a lot of use over the years, so as you can tell, it's pretty dirty and pretty dusty in the condition that it is. So yeah, this is a Lasko Weathershield 20-inch box fan with thermostat on it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.